Hello there, INFOrmed Beauties. Your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we're going to be talking about how quick fixes are not always the answer. Let me say it one more time for the people in the back. Quick fixes are not always the answer, okay? And I'm talking about pretty much everything across the board, beauty-wise, from hair care, skincare, makeup, trying to nip something in the bud quickly just to have like better looking skin or hair is not always the case, and we're going to talk about that. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is EuniyceMari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, share your girl with the world. I totally forgot my whole intro. Don't know. Let's talk about how quick fixes are not the answer, okay? In this world of beauty, we all want to look our best like ASAP. Like, we want to look our best. So if we have an issue skin-wise, for example, if we're having really bad breakouts, you don't want to have a breakout for a prolonged amount of time. Like, you want to have a breakout for like maybe a day and you want it to go away, okay? And a lot of times, for example, when it comes to breakouts, people don't really dig deep behind the issue. Now, in my content here on YouTube, in my videos, or just me as a cosmetologist, I am always going to look at behind the scenes. I am not someone who stands behind just looking at what I see and just trying to come up with something that is a quick fix, because I feel like that doesn't give you long-term results. That gives you short-term results, right? So when you're looking at like your skin and you're saying, oh my gosh, I've been having these breakouts, I don't know what's going on, I really don't like my skin, let me just go get a chemical pill and that's gonna solve it. Oh, well, let me just go and do a facial and that's gonna solve it. Or let me just go and use some unknown acne medicine and that's gonna solve it. No. You need to look at why, and you guys are gonna hear me say this 1,000,001 times. You need to look at the cause of what is going on, so that you can get to the root of the issue, so that you can deal with it accordingly, so that you can have long-term results. A lot of people don't understand why they continually have the same issues with their skin or the same issues with their hair. Why is their hair always brittle? Because they only deep condition once every 3 months. Only when their hair is super dry they throw a deep conditioner in, and then they don't wait until another couple of months. They're like, oh my gosh, my hair is breaking off. I mean, you can't expect long-term results from quick fixes, and I feel like quick fixes, you'll always be frustrated with them, because yeah, you can deep condition and get a shot of moisture for your hair will look amazing for about a week or two, and then go right back to the way that it was before, and then you're starting all over again. Quick fixes for me are best when, let's say, you've always taken care of your skin or your hair, and let's just say for some odd reason, whether it's the weather or something you consume with your skin, or maybe your hormones, and you end up getting a breakout, or your hair just becomes really dry because you went swimming in some chlorine pool, you know, like doing a shot of maybe going and getting a facial, or maybe going and getting a chemical pill because you have an event coming up that you want your skin to look good for, or going and doing maybe a really good deep conditioner on your hair. Those, I feel, are quick fixes that will work. Okay, those are quick fixes that work in your favor, that you are covering up, because I feel like quick fixes, for those who are not looking for behind the scenes, those are cover-ups. They're just a mirror, and behind it is an ugly scene. Like, once the mirror breaks, you see a monster behind it. That's how I see quick fixes for people who are like non-consistent, or who don't, you know, get in a look at behind the scenes when it comes to things beauty-wise. And makeup is a prime example of that as well. You know, you have a very bad skin going on, your skin is dry, your skin is cracking and all that, but you're just gonna throw some makeup on it and just cover up all the fine lines or the wrinkles or the peeling. You're not gonna deal with it, you're just gonna cover it up. Quick fixes are great in certain aspects, but for long-term, quick fixes are not it. So yeah, so I definitely would say, don't think of it as a quick fix. If something is going on with your hair, your makeup, your skin, get to the root of it. look at it and go, okay, why is my hair super dry? What do you need? What am I not doing right? Okay, maybe if I implement deep conditioning every month, I feel like something is like crawling on my forehead. So if I deep condition every month, maybe that will be something that can help what I'm doing. If I moisturize a little bit every day with my hair, maybe that's something that will help me out. So just starting to come up with a plan to have long-term success, okay? And that's just like with anything in life, right? So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.